Here I have XIAOMI Mi Mix 2, and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on this device by using the XIAOMI settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Find and select the settings icon right here. Then you have to scroll down and let's find additional settings. It's located under System and Device tab, so let's choose additional settings. Choose backup and reset right here. Select factory data reset. Read the information about the process and choose reset phone. Here we've got the attention, let's read it and let's wait 10 seconds and then you can choose the next step, so let me do it. Here we've got another attention and you have to make sure that you would like to erase all important information, all customized settings, personal data and install apps, and then you can tap OK, so let me do it. Right now the XIAOMI Mi Mix 2 is performing the hard reset operation. Let's wait until the whole process will be done. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, as you can see the MIUI 8 welcome panel pops up, so it simply means that hard reset operation is done. Now you can start activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.